do get dirty, part of the industry, but you are essentially more than just a mechanic. Hey guys, Sam Walsh here from Daimler Trucks Gold Coast. I currently work here as a diesel mechanic / technician. I didn't know what I wanted to do when I left school. I did university for a year, didn't enjoy it. I worked in hospitality from when I was 14 till I was about 21. There wasn't much for me in hospitality. I've been to different countries in the world and worked there, and always came back to wanting to tinker with things, wanting to work on mechanics, cars, anything like that. I like tinkering with things. So I ended up coming back to mechanics, and choosing this career path definitely wouldn't turn back for the world of it. It's an awesome career path to choose. Yeah, I absolutely love working on trucks, that's for sure. The opportunities for growth and development here are amazing. Like, if you can put your mind to it, they will most likely be able to fulfill what you're after. If you make known of what you want to do, they will help you every step of the way. So my job role here is a truck mechanic / technician. I work on trucks, all different sizes, small, big, doesn't matter. We fix them all the same. We fix mechanical, electrical, wiring issues on trucks. Just make them work, make them run so Australia can keep moving forward. You are essentially more than just a mechanic. To work on trucks this size, you basically become a mechanic, you become a plumber, you become an auto electrician, you become a AC technician as well, which all encompasses how a truck runs and works. So you're like 4 or 5 different trades in one to be able to understand how a truck works. You're not just, you just spin spanners all day. You actually have to use your smarts about things and learn about things just as much as anyone with a university degree. You can get to where you want to. We do brand specific training. They look after you. The benefits here are really good too. Whatever you want to get out of this industry, if you tell Velocity what you want to get out of it, they will help you get to where you want to be, and they'll put the effort into you if you're going to put the effort back to them. Come into it knowing that you don't know anything. Be open to learn. Just come into it wanting to learn as much as you can. I like my video games, I like cars, my little puppy dog, and I like hanging out with my wife. Yeah, I manage my work, personal life pretty well. I come to work, I do what I need to, and then when I go home, I switch off from work and I focus on what means the most to me in that regards.